Hello everyone, and I would like to share my feedback about chatbot character AI with the help of Filmora 15. My discipline is connected with open science principles, and I would like to use character AI to consolidate the principles of open science and maybe to develop students' critical thinking skills as well as communicative skills. Now, I did not create a special prompt for that character AI as I did it for another chatbots because I decided to use Ada Lawrence. mm, and as far as she was a mathematician and she was the first female computer programmer, I decided to use this character to talk with her about what does she think about ideas of open science. And we can see it here. Also, then my next question was, of what does she think about principles of open science, and what principles of open science can she articulate? And then there will be uh, another principles. For example, as far as she mentioned the principles of transparent algorithm. So it is one of the principles which we discussed with students. It's like transparency. For example, I can ask, why in your opinion, the uh, tran- sorry, transparency is important in our research. Okay. So, and next one. Well, so okay, we can see that the answers can be different, like here. Mm, like collaborative peer review, but also what do we have for what is science without a dash of play? We can also see that it's the language, yes, the language itself is very close to those which were used approximately in 1815. Still, students will continue to read that, to discuss, and in with this chatbot, why I chose it, because first of all, here students have to ask their questions, because with other chatbots, it's chatbot who that asks student question, but here it's vice versa. So students should think about what questions to ask, and based on the answer, they can react somehow. And in general, students receive the task to ask about 5 questions. After that, we all together will discuss, because my task in this course is not only to develop English language skills, but also critical thinking, communication skills, and so maybe even collaboration. Because nevertheless, at the chatbot, we can imagine that, for example, it can be some peer, yeah, and you need to be collaborative in this task. So, and after we all students can share their feedback, what do they think? Because especially those students who will use chatbot for the first time, because it just I have got such students who have already acquainted with the chatbot, not this one, but another. Mm, and in general, I think why just to conclude why I chose this character AI, because if we talk about time, yes, of course, you can create prompt and you can create exactly that prompt that you would like to from your students, but also with the help of such tools we can we as teachers can be more creative, and we can look at some problems from a little bit different perspectives, a little bit wider. And I think that character AI, from this point of view, it's a great tool. Thank you.